Hi guys, and we are back with my build. Okay, right now I think we should start. Yeah, last time. Okay, I think we should now build the house a little more, like so we could, make it more beautiful. Huh? And just so I can build outside before it looks. It's just for the time, bro. I hope I even have enough. Oh yeah, I definitely don't have. Yep, definitely. But let's go get some. So grateful that I have Frost Walker. It will help so much. Slime, I need that for the horse. I need you. Die. 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 I think I got that. Wait, am I schizo or did I solve it right now? There's a rune portal. Oh, I'm not schizoing. Let's go. But I have to be careful because if I die, I'm fucked. Oh. Oi, yeah. Okay, chill. No. Fuck. Oi, blah. Oi, blah. I'm fucked. I think I'm cooked. Chat, am I cooked? Am I cooked? I don't know, I think I'm pretty cooked right now. This is not good, bro. That was almost death. That like was waiting for me or some shit. Oh my god, sorry guys that I'm staring right now. I almost lost this. I know, like this is really organized. Don't like crazy stuff, but I have like already connection. But, oh man. I just like almost died. I didn't even have enough. Actually, I'll go to sleep so I need more peace. If I would right now have a trident, would that be great? Wait, let me go to my base real quick to see how to get mending. Gunpowder would be useful. Mending is a book. There. Oh, I don't have even food. I actually have to go back to the base again. Guys, I'm right now kind of broke at this point. And I don't kind of want to merge. Yeah, it's better. Actually, no, it's not a good idea. I know I should just get my health up. No, health more. Yes. Now I'm ready again. Should get kinda armor. There's like I kinda want the U6, but it's in hardcore, so I don't want to yesterday to learn the art of Minecraft and not cheat. So, yeah. Only the place that I don't cheat is cool. Donut SMB. One of the places that I have ever cheated. Then my axe is already almost broken. I have like chops on trees and like unlike. Oh yeah, like mending. You can get from enchanting tables. I forgot that I can get there. I think this is enough food. The XP part still. Because it's not donut SMB, just slash shop and buy. It's not like that easy to make it. Wait, let me see if I can now make the... No, what was it again? What was it like again? Oh yeah, I needed spider strings or something like that. Spider! I saw you! God damn it! Let me get some chickens. Don't mind me feeding myself. Because I can make bread. I don't have heat. I'm still building on my farm. And it's crazy really. No apples, okay? Apples. And the kelp, I already thought making a kelp farm for fuel. I mean, I can make it, but it's not as useful as something like this. I always think what I would do on Donut SMP, but right now it's hardcore, so I swear if a creeper ruins my base, I'll be so mad. Wait, am I even recording right now? Oh my god, I almost scared. Right, let's get glassing. Oh yeah, I should put the chicken in. You know. Oh no! Why? I don't want to ruin any glass because I mean, I do have almost unlimited glass, but but you have to use fuel to get it, like, so. I mean, I could get some. Yeah. Wait, is there a... Let me see if there's a... How to get it, like... Oh, like this. It's not meant. Oh, so you like cannot get like, but how was it possible I get made it book for them, like how can I dare get save? Chica. Cheese lava chicken, yeah, it's tasty as hell. Oh, mama chicken, yeah. Oh my god, I should have not. Oh, actually, just make it this in here. Let me make. I think I'll build a staircase here. Oh yeah, I need clock. I think I should have enough. So I kinda even don't even need glass. No! Oh my god, my iron axe is almost dead. Okay, this is the scare, okay. Auto cover it up with wood. Wait. 4 uses of my iron pickaxe. No, that's actually not good. I need to go get more and diamonds without this. It's going to be actually hard. I don't know what even I should build on this floor, kinda. If I would remember one server that I had where I built the kind single base to on there. I remember the top had an enchanting table, but yeah, oh yeah, treasure room, yeah, that sounds about right. So here doesn't need no glass. Luckily. Should have built in the square, so it would have been easier to build the tower on top for me. Oh well. I need definitely more wood. Yep. Oh man. Fish. Yeah, what the hell you running? I'm not hurting. Actually, I am quite hurt. And that's very. What the hospital? Oh, why did say 2, 4, not 2? The hell? Oh well. Wait. Okay, I have iron. But then I don't have enough. Oh my god, I don't have then enough for okay, like I need it. Oh well. It's already make a no gold armor. Actually, I go mining now. It's night time, so I go mining. Look, I didn't go down. Let me cover this.
This is the best method for finding diamonds in Minecraft. And all you need is a pickaxe and one water bucket, and that's it. The first thing that you need to do is dig straight down. But don't worry, I'm gonna show you a safe method of doing it. You're just gonna be standing between 2 blocks, start by mining one of the 2 blocks like a couple blocks down, and then do it for the other one. And now you're guaranteed to not fall into anything. And you're gonna keep doing this until you reach position -58. Okay, and once you made it down here, what I want you to do is dig a couple of blocks here into the wall. Place one water bucket here. Try to swim into the hole that you just dug out and take your water bucket. And this is it. As you can see now, I'm crawling. It's going to be faster and you're going to be exposing more blocks at a time. And so yeah, you're just going to be mining.
Diamond!
Make sure to use a Fortune 3 pickaxe when mining them. And that's it. Bye-bye.
Okay. So let's get started. Oh my. I don't know, so I should get iron first. Can I use maybe X-ray? Please, guys. I kinda want to, but I kinda need to learn how to play with them. Kinda have to. I don't want to have in X-ray. Not in Donut SMP, I promise you guys. I'm not X-ray. Oh! Yes! But just in Donut SMP I have the urges, but I can't wait. But right now, even when I'm recording, I have the urges to. But I don't know if it's kind of fair. But I'm not. I already know I'm not beating the game without the good. I don't know. Maybe for 5 minutes. Every episode, like for 5 minutes, I can use. I think it's fair. For 5 minutes. I feed my urges and don't make it all like not a big damage. So I don't know. 5 minutes is reasonable. Then I have to stop. Oh, more. I kinda even regret that I right now making because it's a world, not server, so my friends can join when they want to. I don't. Maybe in the new series when I have finished this game or died for some reason, then I will probably do a server. Okay, let's do the 5 minutes. Oh yeah, when my pickaxe broke before the timer ends, that's not fair. Oh my god, it's so. Oh, yeah.
I began to worry.
Now, timer is 5 minutes. 3, 2, 1. Go, 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 go. Oh my god, it's so much lower. Oh yeah, it's deeply. Oh, it's. Oh, I'm wasting time so much. I'm schizo. I don't want to represent now. I hope I'm not. Oh my god, I swear I would right now crashed out if, you know, I right now had. Oh, I don't have wood, so I have to get up. Dang it. Is it just me or still a brain rot is getting like too boring recently? It's kind of feeling like grow a garden now. Just updates and nothing like actually new. Only new brain rot. I don't know, it's just my feelings or something. No! No. No, please. Actually, no. 1. Yep. Okay, time. Oh. Okay, now we have. Can make a time. Oh my god, I streak straight down. Oh my god, I have Next time, now I have to put. Oh yeah, I made this thing. Yeah, takes more but easier to get up. So yeah, no, at least I'm not right now, not kind of like extreme. I'm not annoying, but again, wait. There's oh, if you want to know what seed I'm right now playing, this is the seed, and it's right now 1.21.10. Oh my god, it almost killed me. Oh, dang it. Maybe, yeah, it's not impossible. Oh yeah, I can just use a slab. Oh no, no. Okay, fuck. Oh my god, I have to get the water bucket. Oh yeah. Oh hell no. Ew. Run, 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 run. Made it. Made it just in time. Oh, let me smelt the iron so I can make a bucket. So I can take it with me in the mines and then I maybe find lava. Actually, when this spider! Spider! Oh my god, I'm so sad. Yes! No, it didn't drop it. No. I don't know, I think they should make an empire thing or like something like that there. And in this episode, before the 1 hour mark, I at least want to like. Okay, but I'm going to be right back. I just go be right back, and right now the timer does not. Okay, I should actually close the door. I don't know when to get in. bad, but give me a second, guys. I'm right now making myself a little comfy because in this Estonia rooms can get a little cold. So I'm making myself a little more comfy because it's kind of cold in right now. Not like the heating isn't on the heating. I don't know. Let me check what is my heating temperature right now. 4 and the 5 is maximum. Let me guys crank it up to 5. Maybe it will be a little better. So I know it's in my room is cold, goddamn cold. I think it goes up in some time. Don't worry. So how long do I say wait for? Okay, it's 3 minutes, not bad. Anyway, here's my island and yep. Oh yeah, I need to start getting more coal. I need 3 buckets. Maybe why 3? Oh, 2, sorry. One is for the mine. Second, I kind of want to make an, you know, I mean, I just can make it anyway. Come on. How long was this? Up, some. Yep, I'm taking them off. No! Why? Why, Minecraft, are you punishing me? I'm a good boy being. I'm having a good boy this time. Oh, I almost died. Oh, some more now. Like, someone just let me hurt it again. It's kind of ghosting. Oh, let's go! Finally, it discovered my lost tunnel. But actually, oh, actually, I don't need this anymore. Oh my god, it's so much faster. What? Why did I just do damage, bro? What did I do? And right now I cannot clear boots. Am I just doing this work or something like that? Wait, oh. What the hell do I'm taking damage from? What did I do to you? Game. What the hell did I do to you? Okay. Oh my god, it's already so much comfier for me. Okay. 3, 2, 1, go. Yo, hello. Oh my god, I haven't seen like so many diamonds since I don't know. This many diamonds near me. Like I haven't. One time. Oh yeah, Dr. Donut. I once tested extra in your server. Tested. Just see does it work or not. But I could have used the extra to find diamonds and stuff. Only the nether didn't work. For some reasons. And then poems. Wait, actually, poems not. Yo. Next time, next episode, I don't know. Be rich, I guess, because what the hell? 2 spawners. I don't know. I just like put a random seed. Like. How many seed actually different options are there now? I'm not sure. So I mean, this is a pretty long number if you ask me. But how long can a Minecraft seed be even actually, if you actually wonder? How large can it be actually? Oh yeah, actually before this I had like another guy, like but I drowned. Because like when I started this one, you remember I was like underground iron mining, yeah. Then at this time I was actually a little bit smarter and survived, hope thankfully, because like so annoying. Only took got some like some ores and that was all. Oh, and I don't want to grind right now. Oh my god. Oh my god. Just remember that I have to get back to who. And I didn't put Luna. When I will come back to the surface, I have to put the checkpoint because what's the point even using Luna? And yeah, that's like helps. I mean, no. Oh my god, it's going to be so much. Okay, let me get this one thing and then I'll use it for them. Just one. Get it. I have a Luna maps and I have like 1,000. Oh my, I might be cooked. Maybe actually, cooked. I just try to get loot. I don't want anything more. I just want the chests. Oh my god, there's no chef. And break this. Oh my god, it will be a good idea. Okay. Oh my. Strings, I need them. I need bones. I'll take it this way. Okay, piercing. Okay, interesting. Bread. Let me get some bread. I mean, oh my god, some this. No! Oh my god, this is scary. Okay, let's get this diamond and get boned upstairs. I think next time I'll use my time for, you know, getting Get to fly, maybe I'll get some. Oh yeah. Oh my. Just want to get upstairs, la. Let me get upstairs, la. Oh my god, oh my god, I'll just go this. Of course, the paint does. But I mean, there's no other shops. There we go, so. I think when I will found like a trial chamber, you know, I think I'll be cool without like netherite. Because I want to get mace. I'm not good at with mace, but it's just fun to use it. I mean, and then I mean, I could learn them on my art because I don't know. I like Wembu, not like Femboys, like K. I don't know. Just I like his lore in the Unstable. One of the reasons that I even kind of started this channel is just to get an invite to the Unstable SMP. Just want to help Wembu. Help Wembu, like, um, help Wembo escape like the prison. You know, just want to help because I don't care if I die there. This time, this one, I will be. Yo, if one stabilizing PCs, yes, I'm not meaning, but one of the actually, I'm not lying about that reason why I started Minecraft channel. And I didn't, and I wanted the new channel, so my class wanted me to find it, so yeah, that's one of the reasons too. Like, I don't want to be known, like, my channel to my classmates. It's like, if you already have figured this out, I'm not I kinda hate the name already. I know it shows it, but because didn't have anything. Oh my god, creeper. I'm actually scared to lose this one because it's kinda already like, yo, no, 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 don't explode, don't pass the mine near my base, bro. Oh my hell, now my, I hate this shit. Yeah, I think I want to get rid of this. The old spray. Like, internet for me is like one of the things that give me saying some like this like helping me and sometimes hate myself, but I'm not suicidal, so I have a good connection on Marina. Like this sounds like actually means something to me. I'm doing fine, like if one of the songs doing represent. I know this video isn't even like going to. Whoa! What the hell was that? Why did I hear Ender? Holy. Oh hell no! Hell no! Girl can't even eat, bro. Heavy chicken. Oh hell no! Oh hell no! I'm done. Forgot the spiders, bro. Forget them. Hell no. Oh, hell no. I don't have it. Dang it. I don't have even an apple so I couldn't eat. I need to be more careful. Oh my god. Oh hell no. I'm not losing this world. Zombie. Especially zombie. I should make blades here. Like. Oh yeah, that. Can I break those? What the hell was that? Oh, trapdoor, yeah. I would put hope for this. I want to make the lock on. So, I don't have to. Oh my. No. Safe. And then I just for mine. lost. Oh, if I... It's over. Just passing through. It's alright. Just passing through. I need to get time call. Actually, I'm kind of tired. Actually, I'll finish the house because that's what I mostly plan to do today. Let's just, finish the house, but not the wall because I need to make some the inside, so just the outside part, And I actually have more motivation, so I know like people are supporting me. But I mean coal it. Wait, I don't want to. Wait, we can get coal here, yeah. Yeah. I got it, thanks so whatever. 4 obsidian. I think it was. So 2 more. Minecraft will be more realistic, The enchanting table like it's not actually because if you need 4 obsidians to make 1, but like is there okay like the exception to check? Oh my god, I need book. But I think I got enough for a book. Leather. I swear I had leather, bro. Are you kidding me? Am I just blind or I don't see clearly? Oh my god, I actually don't have any. Pigs, but not what I want to. Why is there a single pen? I don't get it. Why? Sheep, I don't need those. 2x2 thing. Oh yeah, it's going to be hard because not on this. Oh my. Sorry. I don't want to kill you. No. It's my show kinda. I have like every time when I them like the horses. Like every time, why every time, just like when they throw you out of their backs, like why every time like that guidance? Oh my gosh, actually the blanket's working so greatly right now. Oh yeah, no, today's Friday, so I don't have mental problems because of school. It's like actually I feel free again because tomorrow's Saturday, so no school. That's so good. You have the feeling you don't have to go to sleep, just Oh my god, what? So does... Oh yeah, I don't have anything like... Oh, actually I have boots, so I can make armor, yeah, that's... What building has they... I don't understand really. Why are they here? But just for my own protection, making armor. Free about this. I should have. Oh my god, it didn't. Oh my. I know I need full on protection, so yeah. Oh. Oh, I should get ominous. Oh, there are some range I can see. I don't know. Thanks, bro. I like that. And that I do. So I don't understand still why they like such there's like two potential because there's definitely no villages here. There are two villages that spawn them. One is the mansion. The second is the outpost. Because I don't know any of the outposts. I don't know if they are just like one of them. They're actually hard to spawn, so I don't know if they actually, well, at least I got beef. Oh yeah, now I can make an ominous bottle. And that totem of undying too, yeah, let's go when I will found the village again. Because, oh, I actually can locate the village, right? Because I have Lunar. Right. This, I guess. And oh yeah, I need to bring it in the book. If I'm not mistaken. Knew it. Do I have food? I remember I had chicken. Cooked chicken. Okay, it should be enough. I don't want to finish the base. Just actually end the video here. So check out my you know, if you want to help me save some time next time, so just comment me maybe the coordination, the chords where I wait, we have a can I? Oh, we can't. Okay, right, anyway. Wait, they don't have food. I don't want to leave like. Okay, good enough. Anyway, bye.